How to create a Mercari account. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can create a Mercari account. So to create a Mercari account is simple. You can decide to make use of the application or through your web browser. And so to do that, click on your web browser. For me, I will make use of my web browser. And then in the search box, just go ahead and type out um www.mercari mercari.com and then click on the search icon so that you can be taken to the home page. Once you're on the page, you can see the logo, Mercari logo. You can see next to it notifications and all of that. So the next step is for you to create an account. And to create an account, move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines and click on it. All right. So after clicking on it, you can see the options displayed such as list an item, home, browse categories, sign up, login. So go ahead and click on sign up since you are trying to create an account. So after clicking on sign up, you'll be taken to another page. As you can see, sign up to continue. So you can decide to sign up by making use of email and password directly, or you can decide to continue with Google. For me, I'll just click on continue with Google. If you selected continue with Google just like me here, the list of your Google account will be displayed. So the next will be for you to select the Google account that you would like to use for this particular account. And so after you've selected the Google account, the next step is for you to type in your username. It has to be a unique username and you can change it whenever you want. So just go ahead and type out something very unique. And so click on save and continue once you're done. Then you revert to the next page where you'll be asked to check out terms of service as well as privacy policy. And then once you're done checking them out, click on accept terms and continue. And so once it has loaded, you'll be taken to your Mercari account and then you'll be asked to verify your account. Just go ahead, verify it, and as you can see, an account has been created. So you can now go to the top right corner, click on the profile icon that you can see there to access your account. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.